make some changes to the firewall to allow traffic to pass through. For my traffic to move from my 10 network to the 11 network, the router needs to translate the packets from one network to the other. This is called Network Address Translation, or NAT. For now, let's turn it on. Right now, all we are able to do is ping across the networks. We are not able to send other traffic through the router. So, to accomplish that, we need to make some changes to the firewall configuration of the router. Right now, it's doing what it's supposed to do, blocking traffic that isn't specifically allowed. What we are going to do is this. We will set a rule that sets outgoing packets to masquerade, which means that the firewall obscures the real source of the packet and instead pretends that the packet comes from router to the same network where the packet's going to be delivered. Then, when any response comes back, the firewall translates the packet so it can be delivered on the original network, and we will set the active zone on the firewall to allow masquerading as well. Then we will add a rule to the forward chain telling the firewall to accept any packets coming from inside interface. In our case, EMP0 is 3, the 10 network going out through the outside interface. EMP0 is 8, the 11 network. Then we will write a similar rule accepting packets from the outside interface through to the inside one, but only if they are associated with traffic that already went out, like a web server responding to a request or something like that. We don't want to allow any brand new connection starting from the outside. Then we will reload the firewall and test our routing. Here on the router, I'll write firewall -cmd-direct, which writes a rule directly to IP tables. Then I will write --add--rule IPv4 NAT post routing 0, which will make this the top rule in the post routing chain, -o, and then our outside adapter EMP0 is 8 -g masquerade. Then I will add masquerading on the public zone on our firewall. Firewall -cmd-permanent -zone equal public --add-masquerade. And then I will add two more direct rules. The first one with firewall -cmd-direct --add-rule for IPv4 forward 0, which will add this the top of the forward chain -I, and our eternal adapter, which is EMP0 is 3 -o, EMP0 is 8. Our output adapter -g accept. So we are going to accept anything from the inside and forward it to the outside. The next command, firewall -cmd-direct --add-rule IPv4 filter forward 0 again. But this time for the input we are going to use the output adapter. EMP0 is 8. For the output we are going to use the eternal adapter. EMP0 is 3. That's because this rule relates to things coming back in from outside. We are also going to use a filter with -a state, and we are only going to match things that have state of related or established. So we are not creating a new connection from the outside. We are just following up on ones that have already been sent out. And -g accept. Now I am going to reload my firewall. Well, firewall -cmd-reload. Alright, now we have got access to devices on the other network. which we can test by SSH out from one client to the other. I will switch to my 10 client and I will write SSH, my username, at symbol 11.0.2.7, and I will accept the certificate. Then type my password. I am connected to my other client. Let's send them a message. Alright, wall, hello from other side, and switch over to the 11 client, and there is my message. Great.